Hi everyone, welcome to my very quick tutorial on setting up and using Google Keep to help your students keep track of all of their assignments through this online learning experiment that we're really going through right now. So to find Google Keep, you're going to go to your Google Apps and scroll down. You'll see it towards the bottom. You'll click that. When you open yours up for the first time, there will be nothing there. So let me show you how to make a sticky note. You're going to click in this area here. You're going to have your students put a label on it. I'm setting my students up by period. You might do A days and B days, or however your school structures their school day. I'm going to have students list their assignments. So maybe we have reading chapter 2 and comprehension questions chapter 2. And I'll have them set it up like an agenda book so that they can cross off assignments when they're completed. You can also have students add you as a collaborator. I won't be doing that because my students have 8 different class periods, but you might have them add you to just your class period. And I'll have my students assign a different color to each sticky so that they can visually make sense of where their classes are and how much they have to do. I'm going to pin this down below so that it shows up with all of the other courses here, and then click in the white space to add it. Students can go ahead and manipulate all of these tiles so that they make sense or in a good order for them. And they can go ahead and check off when things are completed. One other feature I want to point out is there is a remind feature where they can set up some alarms, and this can sync right with their cell phone. So if you have older students, they can use this on cell phones, iPads, any kind of technology. If you have any questions on how to use Google Keep, make sure to comment below. If you have tips and tricks, definitely comment below. That way we can all share our questions and knowledge together. If you're looking for more apps and more resources, head over to my website, rachelpriori.com, or head over to my Instagram page at Rachel Priori Blog. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.